back with another video, and if you want to know what I'm gonna do today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Focus. Welcome, Print Squad. I appreciate y'all watching, and to all the new people who recently subscribed and to the first time watchers, my name is TshirtChick, also known as Sin. And on this channel, I teach you guys how to start a t-shirt business, and I show you my experiences running my very own business that I've been running for 12 plus years. And if you are interested in learning how to sew or start a t-shirt business, this is the place to be. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And be sure to show me that I'm doing content that you like by hitting the thumbs up button so I would know to continue with those type of videos. Alright, so I recently purchased 2 sewing cabinets or sewing tables. I actually purchased one for my shop and one for home because I know I'm going to be bringing my sewing machine with me some days when I come to my shop, and I'm going to be trying to do a lot of projects at home. So the 2 sewing tables that I got, one of them is the Best Choice Products folding sewing craft table, and the other one is the Sullivans portable sewing table. Okay, so I'm going to show both of them to you. Okay, right now both of them are in their folded up states. This one right here, this is the Sullivans. This is the Best Choice Products sewing table. So both of them are in their folded up state. They can both be extended to be bigger so that it can hold your whole sewing machine and sewing supplies, pretty much whatever else. Okay, so first what I'm going to do, I'm going to move them over here so that they can kind of be catty cornered and I can have them both at the same time. And I'm sorry I'm having to do this at my shop. Okay, this actually will stay in, y'all. It wasn't closed good. It'll stay in. Okay, so the first what I'm going to do, this is the Sullivan. That's the Best Choice Products. So what I'm going to do now is show you guys what it looks like when you open them up. So the first thing you do is raise this up, and then you grab this part and you pull it out, stretch it out, just like this, like so. And it kind of clamps on, show it down this way. It kind of clamps on to these 2 magnets down here, right here. Alright, so it's pretty sturdy and everything. And then it has the drawers right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers right here. Oops, y'all see that's one thing that y'all can see. It does not have a drawer stop. So make sure you don't pull your drawer all the way out like I just did. Don't pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out because it does not have a drawer stop. So this is this one, and I'm gonna let you know the measurements. Okay. So this one is actually 49 inches wide, as you see right there, and this way it is almost 19. It's like 18 1/4 inches. Okay, and the height of it is right here. I can't even get it right. Okay, it's about 30 inches high. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you the next one, and then I'm gonna sit down at them and put my machine on it and stuff so that you can kind of get a feel of what it would be like if you had these products. Okay, this next one right here. Now, with this one, you just swing the door over right here. And then make sure that I have it away from the stuff so that I can get around. Okay, and then you swing it down. And it's a little notch that it connects in right there to make sure that it's locked right there so that it won't move. It's like a little piece of wood just like that sticking out the top. Okay, so this one does not have any drawers, but this one to me is made more just for sewing. Like with this other table right here, with the Sullivans right here, you can do a lot of stuff with this one. It actually looks like it could be just a regular computer desk. And when you go back to the Best Choice, it's pretty much made for sewing. It's got the little, it's not, I don't even know if you would call them drawers, but it's like kind of like little shelves that keep the stuff from falling out. And then you can store your machine down here. Okay, so it got the little notches up here, and I don't like how that one looks right there, so I'm gonna flip it around. But it's got the notches right here, so you can put your thread on there, and it holds 20 I want to say rows of threads, spools of threads. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is grab my sewing machine and let y'all kind of see what everything would look like if I had a sewing setup over here. I'm gonna just sit this here and then I'm gonna get my machine. All right. Push that up. You gotta make sure that locks out, and then it'll snap in there easy. All right, the foot part, I'm not gonna, you know, put it up because I'm not actually gonna sew today, but I'm gonna just show you. You can store the foot in one of the drawers, just like so. On this one, I'm gonna sit it out of the way for now. And you can actually, this is like my little sewing kit right here. That's my sewing kit. This is all I have because I'm just not getting started. But this is my little sewing kit. It's growing though. It's growing. And so I could, this will not fit in there. It's not going to fit in here. And this is just the Art Bin sewing kit. I'll leave a link down for it. I'll actually leave a link for all of this down below. And I'm going to just sit this over to the side. So I got my sewing machine right here because I will be on this side sewing. And then I have my cutting board right here. And put my sewing machine mat. Got my cutting board right here. And I have my ironing board right here. So, and plus I got my little iron. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, y'all, because this is just a steam fast mini iron. And I'm gonna just open it up just to make it more lifelike. Take it out of plastic and put everything back up in here just to make it more lifelike, okay? So I got my sewing machine here, got my cutting pad right here, my ironing board, you know, everything right there. So if I had my chair, let me grab a chair. What do I do with that black chair? Oh, it's right over here. Okay. So if I had my chair, and this would not be the chair I would be sewing in because it's kind of hard, but right here, okay, this is my setup, and I'm 6 foot tall, just to let y'all know. So it's a lot of space. I mean, I would want a taller chair for here, but you know, you can reach everything and do everything. You can reach the drawers on this side over here. What's that? The thing inside the drawer has flipped or something. Let me lay this flat because I don't want no problems with it. Really? All right, that's better. Yeah, the thing inside the drawer was what was stuck. Okay, so right here we got that. And if we need to sew something, we can boom, boom, knock it out right there. Okay, so that's this setup. All right, so now we're gonna come over here to the Best Choice products. Okay, so this one, the width of this one is gonna be about 46 inches, a little bit over 46, about 46.25 inches. And this one is about 16 inches, almost just about 16 inches wide. And for the height of this, we are looking at, let me see, I like to put it up against something when I'm measuring the height. We are looking at 30 inches, so they're about the same height. This one's actually slightly over 30 inches. And what I love about this one, because this one is my favorite one. This one is my favorite one, the Best Choice products. I'm just going to go ahead and let y'all know that. Okay, let me see. Okay, I can sit my sewing machine up here. And this right here, you know, my little other area. Now, this desk, if you do want a bigger area, you may want to go with the Sullivans because it is bigger. I told you guys the measurements, so it is a little bit bigger. And this one right here, it's not as big, but for my home setup, I didn't want it to be that big. That was the exact reason why I got fold away ones, because I have a small area. So when I'm sewing, I can pull it out. When I'm not sewing, it can be hidden away, okay? So right here, when I sit down right here to sew, now, I'm tall now, so it does have this shelf right here kind of in the way. It's not too much in the way, but you know, I can deal with it. But I know I'm probably gonna hit my shins on that. I'm gonna have to get used to it. But yeah, I really like this one because it has a place for your sewing accessories here, and also you can put, you can put other things in here too, your scissors, whatever other sewing things. I'm just getting to sew, so I probably wouldn't be able to list every single thing. And my favorite thing about this one is the fact that you can tuck your sewing machine away. You can hide your sewing machine away up in here, and once you take everything off of here and put away your sewing stuff, close this back up. And by the way, this does have a little hand grip on here that makes it easy to grasp onto that, when you get ready to close it down and things. Okay, when you close this one up, you can hide your sewing machine away in there, and that's what I think is one of the most awesome things about this one. Like with this one, once you close it up, I'm gonna go ahead and close it up for y'all. Once you close it up, oh my bad, and look, that one folds the opposite way, so I'm trying to fold it in a way that it don't go. So right here, that folds that way, and then and then this goes down. I'm gonna have to tighten this thing back up because I think I've made it loose or something. But anyway, that's the difference in both of them. I'm gonna bring them right over here. And this one right here, it looks more like a cabinet, like a kitchen cabinet. You could put a microwave on top of this thing and nobody would never know it was a sewing table or whatever you want on top of that. And this one is more rectangle on the top right here. This one is closer to being a square. I'm gonna push them in between each other. And you can see that this one is not as wide as that one, but the other way it is wide. So when it's folded away, this one is 23 inches, and this is the Best Choice products. It's 23 inches by a little bit less than 16 inches, like 15 and a quarter. Okay, and this one, because this hangs out a little bit on the side, I'm gonna measure it from there. So this one is 22. That one is 22 inches right there. And then when you measure it this way, it's not quite 19 inches, like 18 and a quarter inches right there. So I'm just gonna tell you the pros about the Sullivans and the pros about the Best Choice. Okay, with the Sullivans, it's a little bit bigger. It's bigger. You got more space. It's got the drawers, and this one could be used for anything. I mean, it could be used for just a regular computer desk. They both fold away. It can be used for a regular computer desk. This one is more heavy than this one. Okay, now this one right here, the pros for this one is I really love how it looks. The look of it. It's got the accessory area. It's got the space to hide away your machine, and just the way that it looks. And this one seems like it is like it seems more sturdy to me. It seems like this one will last longer to me, long time. And it seems like it's it just seems like it's sturdy. I feel like this one will be here. This one will last for a long time. Now this one right here, I don't know the way it's made and stuff. It could be too, because we did put it together the wrong way. This one is like super hard to put together. But another good thing about it is the storage space. This one actually has more storage space than this one. If you're not just doing sewing, you can store other things with it. The Best Choice, to me, I like it more, but I'm trying to think of a negative thing about the Best Choice one. I honestly cannot think of any negative thing. I don't know, maybe the wheels on it are not the best wheels, but it's like you pushing them and they don't want to turn. And this door may be a negative thing. I don't know. Let me see. Hopefully it'll stay. I'm gonna have to work with this and kind of see, make sure everything is right. But the door is kind of opening, but at the same time, we're not gonna be pushing it down the hallway or nothing like that too often. It's not, it's not a cart. It's a sewing table, and I'm gonna have it in the area that I want to use it. But you see, as I push it back, it does open up. So you may want to put your hand here when you're moving it, stuff like that. And it's, I don't know, it's really kind of the wheels. The wheels on this one are not the best. And this, that's kind of what it is. The wheels on that one are not the best. Okay, so, and actually it makes me wonder, are all the right wheels? You know, that might be what it is. Because I think the two wheels with the brake on it should have been on the same side. That's probably what it is. That's probably what it is. That's an error. So I can't think of nothing negative than that, but possibly the wheels. But we might have put them on wrong. The wheels on this one, it rolls so smooth. It rolls smooth, you know. But it is a little, I don't know. It seems pretty sturdy and stuff, but it just the way that it's made and how it flips out and stuff like that, I don't know, I just feel like this one is more sturdy, and I would feel better moving this one if I was having to move to a different house, you know. But that's all I got for you today. Hopefully you can make your choice. If you're interested in getting one of these, I'll leave the links for this below. I'll leave links for everything below. And if you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button to show your girl some support. And follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick TV. And I will see you in another video. Prince Squad out.